In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Gmail storage. We all rely on email more than ever for everything from professional communication to staying in touch with friends and family. Keeping track of your email storage can help ensure that you're not unexpectedly cut off from receiving important messages. So let's dive into a quick and easy way to keep tabs on how much of your Gmail storage you're using. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the process is essentially the same. Once your browser is open, navigate to Gmail by entering mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the Gmail login page if you're not already signed in. Here you'll need to enter your Gmail account credentials to access your inbox. Upon logging in, you will land on your Gmail inbox. Now, I understand that with the volume of emails we receive daily, it can sometimes be a bit overwhelming to absorb everything visible on the screen. But for the task at hand, we're going to zero in on one specific area. Instead of focusing on your emails, let's shift our attention to the bottom left section of the page. As you scroll down, keep an eye on the bottom left corner. This is where Google displays the amount of storage you're currently using in comparison to your total available storage. It's often summarized in a format like X GB of YGB used. Here, X represents the storage space you've utilized, while Y represents your total storage capacity provided by Google. The number you're looking at gives you a clear, instant understanding of your storage situation. If you find that you're nearing your limit, it might be time to do a little tidying up. Consider deleting unnecessary old emails, unsubscribing from promotional messages you no longer read, or using Google's built-in tools to filter and eliminate spam. If, however, you find yourself consistently running low on space despite regular cleanups, you might want to explore purchasing additional Google storage. Google offers flexible plans that you can subscribe to, making it easy to gain extra space for all your storage needs, whether it's for emails, photos, or other files you keep within the Google ecosystem. So there you have it, a straightforward way to check your Gmail storage. Remember, staying within your storage limit can help avoid disruptions to your email service, so it's a worthwhile habit to cultivate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep on top of your Gmail management more efficiently.